Welcome to the product property, or the product rule. We're going to look at is what happens when we multiply powers together. When I have letter A says simplify w to the sixth times w to the sixth, what I need to look at is how many w's am I multiplying together. Well, w to the sixth happened because I had 6 w's, so I had w times w times w times w. So I had 6 w's and I multiplied them together. But then I'm going to multiply it by 6 more w's. So times w times w times w times w, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times w. So now I have 6 w's times 6 w's. To find the answer, I'm going to count up all the w's. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my answer is going to be w to the 12th. A simpler way to do this, because these were all ones, I went through and I added all those ones together and got 12. So when we multiply w to the 6th times w to the 6th, we actually are adding. So we have w to the 6 plus 6, which equals w to the 12. Okay, so I know that was kind of weird where I wrote out all those w's and then we counted them, and then the basis is because I had 6 w's, I multiplied it by 6 more w's, so I ended up adding my powers together. So instead of having 36, I only have 12. It's not 6 times 6, it's w6 times w6, which is 6 plus 6, which is 12. Here I have u times u to the 4th times u to the 5th. It's really important to remember that when I just have a variable, I have a little 1 in front of it. So now I can rewrite this as u to the 1 plus 4 plus 5. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 is u to the 10. So when we multiply powers, we add the variables. So for any b to the n, or a to the m times a to the n, I get a to the m plus n. And this only works when I have same bases. Let's go look at what happens if I don't have the same bases. So here it says multiply 2v to the 7th times 7w times 2w to the 8th times v to the 3rd power. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to collect my numbers, my coefficients, and multiply them. So it's going to be 2 times 7 is 14 times 2 is 28. So then I'm going to take my same variables, v and v. So I'm going to have v to the 7 plus 3, and w, so w to the 1 plus 8, because there's a little 1 above that w. Now I can reduce these, 28, v to the 10th, w to the 9th. Part D, let's look at part D now. I want to again collect my coefficients, 3, 4, and 4, so that's 12 times 4 is going to give me 48. I've got x cubed and x to the 1st, so it's x to the 3 plus 1, and y to the 2 plus 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4, so 48, x to the 4th, y to the 6th. Alright, so just remember to collect your like variables, and when you multiply them, add the powers.